ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் பண்ணுறதை விட கொஷனுக்கு பதில் சொல்கிறது எவ்வளோ கஷ்டமாக இருக்குமோ அந்த அளவுக்கு நான் அப்படி பண்ணுவேன். பார்த்து தான் கேட்குறேன். Okay, boys and girls, we are starting up. So this is your podium. If you want to sit down, you can help yourselves. Move the bench a little bit farther and you can sit down. Your phone is stopped at 1 minute. இல்லை நான் ஒரு வருஷம் ஒரு ஃபோன் எங்கிட்ட இருக்கு. மூணு பேர் அடிப்பேன்னு சொல்லு. நான் படிக்க விடாம ஃபோனை பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் இன்னொரு தெரியுது விஷ்ணு பிரியா எங்கேயாவது படிக்கிறப்ப ஃபோன் பேச சொல்லு. அவர் தான் சொல்லி யூஸ் பண்ணு. அவரை பற்றி உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் நான் அது கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பாஸ்வேர்டு இருக்கா? Okay, so we're starting up. Put your hands together to welcome a member from Prabhupada Trustee, Aditya. Okay, no problem. Take it. Before that, from Team Prabhupada, Ashwin Siddharth wants to give an opening narration. They wanted a volunteer thing. Let them do.
Good evening everyone, my name is Rakesh Sharma and welcome to the 2050 Style Conference where we have people from different timelines. And first up we have a soldier who fought in World War II during 1942 for British India. Please come.
So Aditya is going to play not an imaginary person, a person who has been existing, one among the most few people in India who has served in Indian Army, Indian Navy and in Indian Air Force. A very, very proud Indian citizen. I'm glad that you took that person. Once Aditya finishes explaining about the occupation and the introduction of the person, then I will start the timer. Wait in silence. Wait in silence. 3, 2, 1. You can start explaining the profile of the personality. Come on.
So, hello all youngsters, and first of all, salute for the nation. And I am Pratipal Singh Gill. I am so privileged to say you that I have served in all the Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force. So, I started my career in 1942 as an Air Force pilot in British Royal Service, Indian British Royal Air Force team, and my father didn't allow me to continue in the pilot session. So I just put in my job and I joined in the Indian Navy, and I worked there until 1948 as a commissioned officer and after that I retired from Navy and joined to the Indian Army, and I served till 1970 and retired as a colonel. So that's my best. I have also served in India, World War II in 1942, and also in India, Pakistan in 1942.
Question session officially starts now that he has given the introduction, right? So good start, Alvin. 3, 2, 1, go. About the India-Pakistan war that you are part of, and the part of the world war that you have really very much participated, we were having a severe problem of Indian Defence Minister being corrupt at that point of time, and the weapons and ammunition were very much retarded, and some were duplicate weapons. How did you manage to win that war?
So at that time the Britishers helped us to win the war. Like they were in a deal that when we win a war for them, the Britishers would leave India and they would give us freedom. So we believe in that, and they helped us in the weaponry areas.
Maybe when the youngsters, current youngsters are trying to become Indian soldiers, too much of politicking is happening, and most of the Indian youngsters' dream of becoming soldiers are shattered. What is your opinion as a senior major in the Indian Army?
So being a major of the Indian Army, I would prefer that the selection team must be preferred good heads, so that if they are not corrupted, we would get good soldiers, a good team of soldiers.
When Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India, she was cancelling some of the awards and honorariums that were coming your way. She was really against, and she was taking it very lightly. And during those times, the youngsters were finding your reactions very, very impressive, because you did not react anything about Indira Gandhi's announcement. So can you give some thoughts about that particular incident?
Yeah, but speaking about that, I didn't work for any awards or privileges. I work for my nation. I still will work for my nation. That's the most of Indian.
You were one of the legal advisors in the entire commission that sent the Indian Army soldiers for Kargil war in 2004. And you have been very much careful that the weapons, arms and ammunition are only original. So you spent at least 1.5 months towards garnishing the weapon replenishment in the. Tell us something about that experience, and most of the soldiers thank you. So can you share something about that experience?
Yeah, speaking about the Kargil times, there were many weapons which were duplicate, and we couldn't find out the difference between original and duplicates. According to now, we have many scanners and everything, but at those periods, we didn't have any full technology to find those things. So we had to make a study on the weapons and materials, so that we could find the original and duplicate differences.
Last question to you, Major. When you were in the Indian Air Force and you were a pilot, most of the times your pilot license has been cancelled because of again politicking, and you are not able to take any decision as a chief commander. So there were plenty of wing commanders who took advantage, and they were trying to take over advantage beyond their own designation. And you felt insulted. We all read that news in the newspaper. So what do you think about that? And is there anything that you can go back and change?
Yeah, maybe I could go back and change that. But at that time period, I was so young that I didn't know what to do. I was not matured for that. So I didn't make any moves, and I stayed calm.
Well done, Aditya. Fantastic. So 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Aditya took 3 minutes 19 seconds for question session alone. Totally, he has spent 4 minutes and 20 seconds in the podium. So 4 minutes and 20 seconds of commitment in the podium from Team Prabhu Aditya. So, I got on the mark. Now mark no one for you. No problem. Team Vishnu. Who will you send?
Sir, I will be sending.
Hafiz. Put your hands together for Hafiz. You can. Bonus bit is also bonus bit note பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Prabhu Aditya, team bonus for the choice of Aditya's personality. He's a very dynamic person. So 10 marks bonus for that.
Thank you, sir.
Vishnu Priya, 10 marks bonus for your bold move of increasing the benefits, increasing the confidence in the Everybody, bonus na note panna, bonus neenga da note panna. So, yes, Varsha. Ready? Okay. Made in silence. Please understand. எந்த டீம் பேசுறீங்களோ அந்த டீமை பத்தி நான் எதுவும் சொல்ல மாட்டேன். ஆனா எந்த டீம் பேசுறீங்களோ அந்த டீமுக்கான மைனஸ் என்னோட ஜர்னல் ரெஜிஸ்டர் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு. So make sure there is complete silence. You have enough time. You had enough time for team preparation. Vedashi.
Warm greetings from all present here, and it's an honor to stand here, and it's an honor and pleasure to welcome a loyal man who served India for 26 years, and he was very loyal to the country, and he was even ready to die for the people, and he was serving without carrying their family. He was carrying his country. Man who knows only loyalty and don't know about corruption and everything. And let us welcome Mr. Hafiz here.
So he was in the police department?
Yes, sir, police department.
So Hafiz has been retired now?
Yes, sir, retired police.
How did he retire? Retired as IG, retired as commissioner,
Retired as IG, sir.
Retired as IG?
Yes, sir. 4 years experience as an IG, sir.
As an IG. So he retired in 57?
Sir, yes, sir, he retired in 56, sir.
56. So 2 years service left.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
30 years he started this journey, sir. Till 56 he was serving, sir.
Right. Okay, officially the time starts now. 3, 2, 1, go.
Good evening friends, my name is Hafiz. நான் வந்து போலீஸ் ஆஃபீஸர் வேலை பார்க்குறேன். இப்போ வந்து ரிட்டையர்ட் ஆகிட்டேன். 35லேருந்து 25 வரைக்கும்
25 to 35.
25லேருந்து 35 வரைக்கும் நான் சர்வ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். வாய்
Help எடுத்துக்கோ. வேற விஷயம் இருக்குது help எடுத்துக்கோ.
நான் எப்பயுமே தைரியமாக எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணுவேன். வாழ்க்கையில் தைரியமாக இருந்தால் தான் எல்லாருக்கும்
Good. போலீஸ் ஆபீசரா உனக்கு எதுல வந்து ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது? போலீஸ் ஆபீசரா எந்த வேலையை செய்யறதுக்கு உனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது? உன்னுடைய சர்வீஸ் போலீஸ் அதுல எந்த வேலையை செய்யறதுக்கு உனக்கு ரொம்ப இஷ்டமா இருந்தது? இன்ஸ்பெக்டரா இருந்தது. இன்ஸ்பெக்டரா இருக்கிறதுனால நீ என்ன பண்ணு? சொசைட்டில என்ன பண்ணு? திருடனை பிடிக்கிறது, கொலையாளி பிடிக்கிறது, அந்த மாதிரி எது அதிகமா பண்ணு? திருடனை பிடிக்கிறது. ஓகே. இப்போ போலீஸ் ஆபீசரா ஒரு யங்ஸ்டர், இப்போ நீ ரிட்டையர் ஆயிட்ட, ஓகே ரிட்டையர் ஆயிட்டீங்க, போலீஸ் ஆபீசரா ஒரு யங்ஸ்டர் வந்தாங்கன்னா அவனுக்கு நீங்க என்ன அட்வைஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க?
Can I answer or can I help him, sir?
You can answer. I told you. எந்த டீம் மெம்பர் வேணாலும் க்ளோன் எடுத்து பேசலாம் சொல்லு. You can
Sir,
be a clone.
as I mentioned before,
Put your hand up and say clone. Okay, put your hand up and say clone.
clone.
Yeah, clone, yeah.
Sir, as I mentioned, duplicate copy, sir. As I mentioned before, I was very bold everyone, sir. I was a straightforward person that made me to stand here with all the pressure. I'm standing over here and just face the problems without fear. That's the key word I will mention. And don't care about the consequences. Go for your idea and go for your plans.
Right, okay. So, I'm asking in English for you and I'm asking in Tamil. In case if he is answering, he can answer. So, many people today are coming with a kind of a thought that becoming a police officer will make them corrupt, and it is a very big politicking area, and they are not willing to come forward because of the restless job. And I train the police officers on how to handle the stress. People are becoming stressed. So as a retired police officer, what is your advice towards handling the stress?
Sir, I will call it as a disease, sir, than stress, because they are having self-doubt on themselves, which should not have an youngster or teen, sir. They should be bold enough to face anything. So I think for a police officer, that quality is important, sir. If he doesn't have this quality, we can't improve his quality, and we cannot force him to be a police officer. A person who is naturally bold can only be a police officer.
Fantastic. Last question. Either the prime source or the clone source can answer. What is your current level of technology you think the police officers should maximum use? அதிகமா
Sir, I think the technology should be like they should be very fast in catching criminals, sir. They should not waste time by tracing the calls and everything, sir. Technology has developed a lot more, sir. They can even trace the place instead of tracing the calls and can move forward and please can use the technology, sir. Most of the technology haven't been introduced in the police department, sir. It will soon happen in forthcoming leaders in that case.
Right, time. Very good, Hafiz. Another 10 points bonus for the team. Much better.
Thank you, sir.
So we will make it as 30. Initially our 10 for them. You put 10 points for his speaking, 10 points for Varshan's motivation games. 30 points bonus.
Thank you, sir.
மார்க்கை கொடுத்தது நல்லது நான் ஃபீல் பண்றேன். So ஆதித்யாவோடைய பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ்க்கு I am giving 87 out of 100. 87 out of 100. What is that? So team Prabhu, Aditya's presentation 87 out of 100. Team Vishnupriya for Hafiz's presentation 73 out of 100. Team Mitra, you can send a person. Yes.
Bonus, sir.
In the chat 6
You said 750 or 5?
Get 73, sir.
plus 5 na 73.
Okay, so people who are adjusting with the furniture, Lakshman Siddharth. People who are adjusting with the furniture.
Yes, sir.
நாளைக்கு நான் சேர்ஸ் பூஸ் வாங்கிடுறேன் so that you won't be having this scarcity. இந்த பழைய சேர்ஸ் எல்லாம் அந்த அன்னியவனா இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, வருஷம் ஒரு பாஸ்கெட்ல உட்காந்துருக்கான், ஃபோன்ல உட்காந்துருக்காங்க. இந்த அன்னியவனா இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் அவாய்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். நாளைக்கு ஏதாவது நவநாட்டு கவுண்டர் எடுத்து சொன்னது நான் தான் சார். அதுக்கெல்லாம் போனஸ் தான் தர முடியாது சார். வாய் மூடி வேலையை பாருங்க சார். With our organization. Sure.
So warm greetings and well present here. So here we present Krish Sharma. So he is going to define himself and it's an immense pleasure for us to present here.
Which category does it come to?
Sir, announce the person. Which category it comes under? Like sports person, sir. So as he always respects sports a lot and sports is one major criterion and a very important field in India or mother country, and that's why Krish Sharma has chosen cricket because cricket is one of the important sport in India. So now he's going to define himself and he's going to answer all the questions to solve all the queries and doubts. So over to you.
Thank you. 42 seconds. So you want to speak or straight away answer the question? Please.
So since I joined the cricket in 2000 as a fielder and a bowler, so since 10 years as a captain of the Indian team, I'm doing my best in the Indian cricket.
Wonderful. So shall I ask questions, Mr. Krish Sharma? So Mr. Krish Sharma, during the test match cricket, we used to have lunch and everybody was giving a proper complaint that you spend a lot of time in having lunch, and in the second innings, most of the time because of you, the time that we took for extra lunch has been the reason for the defeats of the country. So what is your word?
Come on, Krish
So
Sharma.
it's not about the eating food, sir, it's about the nutrients we have, sir.
So
Strength is very important for
Clone.
sir. Sir, strength is very important for cricket, sir. That to fielding, batting, bowling, everything is the nutrient that you get, the strength is the long persistence, everything is very important, sir. That's the strength for running, sir.
thank you. Sit down. You mentioned that you have become, okay, getting on to a serious question. You mentioned that you have become as a bowler. So a bowler needs a lot of strength on the deltoid and the shoulders what kind of exercises you are taking for making that sure that you are playing well, prudent for the country?
So I and my friends take very fisher. So cricket is our sponsor.
So, when was the last time you felt? Do you really think cricket has been flared up into three different distinctions, three different formats, like Test match cricket, one day cricket, and T20, and there is a joke called as IPL as well. So, what is your thought about it? There are some legendary cricketers like Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid feel that Test match cricket has to be given more importance. What is your thought on it?
So I think the test match only want to do more important, sir. So because the players are batting and bowling more times, sir, so they can get more energy, sir. So they want to give idea about that, sir.
Excellent. So at one point of time, Australia had been really prestigious in cricket, and India was not making that mark. But right now, India is really making its turn towards the nation. Now, you being the part of that particular playing 11, what is your idea about the secret of India? Why India has suddenly become a superpower in terms of cricket sport?
So first time we lost is we did not give up our confidence, sir. So we build up what our mistake in the game, sir, and we build up more confidence in our game, sir. So all players become strong and we become a leading, sir.
Okay, Mr. Krish Sharma, one last question. When are you going to retire? Because that will be a great help for Indian nation.
Why great fit was it?
That's what I personally feel. I'm a
No.
journalist.
Go on. Answer and after the question.
So I will retire in the next 20 years.
Sorry?
20 years.
20 years, okay. Great confidence oozing out of
So you're
you.
50 years old.
So you said clone. Now time is going.
Retirement is never, you should not judge about the retirement, sir. Until he comes to the right age, sir, he plays still, whether it's going to be bowling or fielding or batting, sir. Anything it may be, he's going to give his best until his retirement age comes. So there's a lot of years to ahead of him, sir. So in each year, in each IPL, in each World Cup, he'll give his best and he'll make his team big and for the mother India, sir.
How many years once does World Cup happen?
So World Cup will happen all 40 years.
How many years once does World Cup happen? Hey, don't get bonus. Time. 3:27. 10 points bonus for Mitra for helping out Krishna. 78 out of 100 for Krishna's performance. 10 points bonus.
10 points,
2 clones there. So another 10 points. 20 bonus and 78. One round finished. One round finished. Aditya finished, Hafiz finished, and Krishna finished. Now, again, team Prabhu. நீ என்ன வேணாலும் பண்ணலாம் டைம் கூட நீ பண்ணிக்கலாம் இந்த ரவுண்ட் டூல சீக்வென்ஸ் மாத்திக்கலாமா சீக்வென்ஸ் மாத்தலாமா வேற டீம் any one tips first hand raised so this time from team who are listening Okay, so Team Mitra is deputing Nitin as the second person. Right now, Team Prabhu Aditya is topping the table with 87 from Aditya's presentation. Opening nation time starts now. 3, 2, 1, go.
So here we have the next person, Venkat Raman, the revolutionist. So he's going to define himself now. So Nitin, come on, as much as you have to take team discussion. Come on, Venkat Raman!
Our children want to study
Let's go. That one is not there.
Sir, should we start from the first, sir?
I was not listening. On the doubt check.
3, 2, 1, go. Come on.
The poor people want to get village and the poor children and poor people come to
Well done. Very good. So, let us start the questioning session, shall we?
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Venkatraman, what are all the kind of finance sources? How are you going to collect money for giving to the poor people as you have mentioned? You can clone if you want.
So what is the question, sir?
If you poor people you will help on what doing it, how many people
Having
collect?
a trust. We are having this specific amount and we are trusted.
Sir, other than the clothes, sir, other than the trust, sir, we have deposited a specific money for this around, sir. We know that in villages there will be many poor people, sir. And the revolutionist he wants to make everyone to study, sir, equality, sir. So what he does is, from the childhood, he saves a specific amount. He deposits a specific amount other than the trust. Once he has to trust in the charity, sir. In the other side, he has a specific account for that in the bank, sir, where he has deposited lakhs of money, sir. Yes, sir. Which is hard. Check the notes, sir.
Right, okay.
Sir, he
Yeah.
has worked for the well-being of the club and community, sir. So he has trained lot of people where they also contribute, sir. So putting all those together, we are running a successful trust, sir. And I think those will be helpful for the years.
3 clones, so 30 marks bonus for us. Yeah, so Krishna and Balkita, 3 clones, so 30 marks. Next question. In 2004, you made a very big revolution and the government school children were very happy with the kind of revolution you mentioned and you brought up. Like most of the people who are studying in the convent, they were able to spend a lot of money, but government children were not able to spend money. But right now, everybody is spending a lot of money. So do you think education has become a business? What is your thoughts about it? கல்விங்கிறது ஒரு பெரிய தொழில் ஆயிடுச்சு, பிசினஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. அதை பற்றி உன்னுடைய ரெவல்யூஷன்ஸ் உன்னுடைய கருத்து என்ன?
There are a lot of people, sir. There are good people also, there are bad people also.
No, yes.
So,
I am here to break.
Okay, yes, no.
So, sir, some people are not looking for the education, sir. So, they are looking for some money, sir. So, the government should take action for them, sir.
Tell bonus, go on.
Sir, also, sir, the main aim of this revolution is, sir, to break the statement that business is, education is a business, sir. The main aim and the objective of this revolution is to break.
326, clone, 10 points bonus for that.
Yes,
Good
sir.
job.
Fortunately,
50 points bonus. Take clones, boys, take clones as much as you want. ஆனால் சீலிங் டைம் ஒரு 3:27 மேலே போகல. இதுக்கு மேலே 3:27 மேலே யாருமே டைம் போகல. அந்த 3:27 மேலே க்ளோனிங் எடுக்க முடியுமா? ஆனால் பேசுகிற நல்லா பேசுறாங்க, க்ளோன் எடுத்து டைம் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணலாம். போனஸ்க்காக க்ளோன் அதிகம் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா மெயின் மார்க் கம்மியாகும். ஓகே ரைட். ஸோ
அதனால தான் எனக்கு கேட்டு
ஆமா ஆமா நல்லா அதனால உங்களுக்கு போனஸ் கம்மியாக மெயின் மார்க்ஸ் நல்லா பேசுற க்ளோன் எடுக்க ட்ரை பண்ணாரு. நல்லா பேசி 90 வரைக்கும் வாங்க. 90க்கு வந்தீங்கன்னா அதுக்கே நான் போனஸ்
சரி.
ஓகே. க்ளோன் அப்படிங்கும்போது சின்ன பசங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்றது தான் க்ளோன். ஓகே. ஸோ க்ளோன் உங்களுக்கு எத்தனை தடவை பேசினா அதுக்கு போனஸ் கிடைக்கும். ஆனால் மெயின் மார்க் கம்மியாச்சுன்னா அது போனஸ் வச்சு ஒன்றும் பண்ண
ரைட்.
இட்ஸ் ரைட். சாரி மிருது பாஷினியை வந்து பேச வைக்கணுங்கிறதுக்காக நான் தான் கேட்டுருக்கேன். Yeah, and coming to that, besides the fact that cloning bonus about 50 marks, Mitra Kapil did a really good job. Helping Nitin. You really did that. Good job. 70 marks and 50 bonus. So now from Vishnupriya's team, it's Bindu Bharti. Come.
All the best.
So, opening occupation introduction time starts now.
Hi everyone, I am Jansi. I am a revolutionist. My duty is to serve for the society and while doing the help for the society, we should be very bold and we should not be
Come on.
We should be bold. We should not be selfish.
we should not be selfish and we should not depend others, and we should always do ourselves and we should believe and we should success and
So 30 minutes I had to pass.
Who's up?